Welcome to another interesting tutorial about how best to master your Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to solve C drive storage issue by simple settings. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, press Windows plus X. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to press K. Let's go to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you come to JPNTFS, Health Boot Page 5, Crash Dump, Basic Data Partition. Right click on that and then make sure you go to Property. And this is going to pop up. Right here, what you need to do here is to simply check on this box right here. Compress this drive to save this space. Then hit on apply. Then you have choose to make the following attributes change. Do you want to apply this change to C drive only, or do you want to apply to all folders and files as well? Apply change to this C drive only and hit on OK. And hit on OK. It's that simple. And with that, you are going to have more storage space on your C drive on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.